G'day cocktail lovers. This is a riff on a cocktail that comes from one of my favourite places for cocktails, New Orleans. I love the New Orleans style cocktails. They're just all boozy and just really fun drinks. I know when a lot of people when they say fun they mean bright and fruity, and I like those drinks too, but the really boozy stirred down drinks that New Orleans is famous for, those are the ones that I really like. And this one is called a Rebennack. In fact, this is a variation. I saw two variations on the Difford's website, and I've done my own variation based on the things I like, also based on what I have on hand. So I'm calling this the Rebennack number 3. The original cocktail was created by Chris Hanna at Arnaud's French 75 bar in New Orleans. It was brought out in the 2010 Mardi Gras and presented to a very well-known local singer-songwriter, Mac Rebennack, also known as Dr. John, hence the cocktail is the Rebennack, and my variation, Rebennack number 3. This is an experiment of mine. I'm really happy with how it's come out. It's a lovely golden colour. I'm just going to dip my cherries in there. That sounds a little bit rude, honestly. I should have thought that through. But giving it a quick taste, it's just got those really boozy, rich flavours and some herbal elements that's common for so many of the New Orleans drinks. I'm really liking how this is going. Here's how I made it. In a mixing glass, we start with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of rye whiskey. Then we add 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of rhum agricole, and 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of yellow chartreuse. Then we're adding 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of averna amaro. We're rounding things out with 2 dashes of peychaud bitters and 2 dashes of orange bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a rocks glass. I'm pouring it over one of my big sexy chunks of clear ice. For garnishes, I think this is well served with a strip of orange peel and some maraschino cherries on a skewer. Now, I was following the original recipes and there were no sugar syrups in them, and I thought, is this going to be balanced the way I like it? And it's nice. I might just put like a bar spoon of sugar syrup in here. Let's give that a little mix. And taste the slightly sweetened version. I think that does help it. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, so if you really don't like sweet drinks, I'd recommend making this without the sugar syrup, but really only about 5 mils, about a bar spoon in there. I really like how that's even things out a little. It's good either way, I say, the Rebennack. You might want to do the number 1, the number 2, or my recipe, the number 3. But if you like your boozy stirred down drinks, I think you'll like this. Give it a go. Let me know if you do. And please look after yourself. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, I will say cheers.